Tutorial to set up the flight controller in order to enable the remote ID features. From the link shown, download Python for your operating system, in this case macOS. Select Allow. Open the Finder and go to Downloads, double-click on the file to open the installer. Once it opens, click Continue in the first 3 parts, then Agree and Install. Enter the system password and press Install Software. When finished, press Close. Move the installer to Trash. Open Launchpad and type Terminal in the search box and open it. Type the commands displayed on the screen and press Enter after each of them. Wait until it finishes loading before typing the next one. After the first command, you will be prompted for the system password. Type it in and press Enter. Connect your flight controller via USB to the computer. Once listening the startup tones, type the following command followed by the name of the file provided by our support team. Open the Finder and go to your downloads, copy the file name and include the extension, paste it in the terminal window and press Enter. It will check for the right port and delete the current firmware in order to upload the downloaded one. Type the command and press Enter. You will see 2 interfaces corresponding to the flight controller. Type the following command and replace the X with the port number that appears to you. Press Enter and wait until it finishes loading. Check that the messages no longer show MAV at the beginning. Then type flashbootloader and press Enter. When the flight mode appears again, in this case stabilize, it means that it was successfully executed. We open another terminal window and type again the following. This time it should look as shown on the screen. If so, then you finished. You can close the terminal window. If you had any problem, do not hesitate to contact us.